Can I please enjoy my coffee in the morning?
Of course you can.
I cannot with a camera in my face. Get it out.
Did you sleep well, Benny?
Yes, I did. Until I saw your camera.
Gang, 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 gang.
Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No. Oh, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters.
Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennifer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is gonna be a vlog. I am gonna go meet up with my friends in a few minutes. I'm a little bit early. I'm sitting at the central station. I think I'm gonna find myself some breakfast somewhere, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for my friends and find some breakfast. I think I'm gonna go with Panos because they always have sandwiches and things like that, simple easy bites, you know. So I think I'm gonna find some of that. But yes, I am gonna meet up with my friends. We're gonna find a dress for Aida because she has a wedding and she needs a new dress, so that's what we're gonna look for today. And I figured, like, why not vlog this, because I don't come out of my house that often. So yes, I need to take every opportunity that I get to vlog. And I want to give a special shout out to Analuisany for hooking your girl up with some nice necklaces. So if you have never heard of Analuisany before, they are a jewelry company based in New York. They make sustainable jewelry that is not harmful for our planet, because we all know how important it is to not harm our planet. It's the place where we live and we want to preserve that as long as possible. So all their pieces they use are sustainable. Everything is recycled. They use very noble metals to make everything, and they quote everything in 14 karat gold. So that makes your jewelry very long lasting, is that the right word? Or from exceptional quality, let me say it like that, because you will be able to enjoy them much longer. They won't tarnish over time. And that's also the reason why I stopped buying jewelry that would change color and things like that, because that was literally a pet peeve. You get something that you enjoy and then it changes color and you can't wear it anymore. So that won't happen to you with this jewelry at all, so that's great. Another thing I like about them is their pricing. They have something for everyone. Their prices start at $39, so there's no luxury markup. And then they're ranging to higher end pieces, so there is something for everyone, and that's so inclusive and nice. I love that about this brand. The first one is a little sun pendant. As you may know, I am from Curacao. I think I have a very sunny personality, so this one really spoke to me. And the other one is a coin. I just think it's very nice to combine with other jewelry as well. These are very timeless pieces in my opinion, and that's why I chose these. They can function as everyday jewelry, but they can also function if you have a very fancy occasion or whatever, and you want to pair it with something dainty, then this would come in handy as well. And of course, I have a discount code for you. You can use the code Jennyfer10 to get 10% off your order and get yourself something nice. Spoil yourself. If you feel like you deserve it, if you've been working hard, go to Analuisany, pick yourself something and use my code for 10% off. So yeah, thank you Analuisany so much for sponsoring this part of the video. I love these pieces, so thank you so much. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna find some breakfast for me to eat and wait for my friends. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next clip.
Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving. I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do.
I was able to get some breakfast. I have a caprese sandwich and I also have a little coffee, and I'm just gonna eat this and drink my coffee while I wait for my friends. They will be here in half an hour, so yeah, I'm just gonna take like a little time lapse while I eat my little breakfast.
You know that I won't do that.
All right, mission aborted because hornets everywhere. I saw a mouse and like I couldn't do it no more. I couldn't like sit there calmly and wait for the time lapse to be finished. So I'm sorry, I'll do a time lapse another time. I'm gonna go in the hall and eat my breakfast there and wait for my friends because I'm not trying to be stung, whatever, by a freaking hornet. Like, absolutely not.
When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up. It's time to get out. Everything's different. I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving. I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again.
So I decided to come up here and film a little bit up here because I love the central station so much. So yeah, I decided to just do that. But my friend should be in that train right there, I think. So let's wait and see.
When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah.
Ik was aan het filmen, ik zo... volgens mij zitten ze toch niet in die trein.
Jawel.
Come on. Gang, 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 gang.
I can taste you, words. I can taste you, I can taste you, words. I can taste you, I can taste you, words. I can taste you, I can taste you.
I cannot do this no more. This mask is trying to kill my life.
Oh my god.
Ah ja, dit is de Abdijstraat. En daar is die mal, toch?
Ja.
Oké. Oké, Abdijstraat, here we come.
Gaan we daar kijken?
Waar? Missie?
Ja.
Oké.
Waar is die?
Why is everybody trying to kill us?
Waar is beter? Eerst schoenen kopen of
Eerst het kleed, denk ik.
Kleding, Eerst en dan het kleed.
Eerst
en
het kleed, dan de
Oké,
schoenen.
want als je eerst schoenen gaat kopen, dan ga je het jezelf moeilijk maken. Oké, dus eerst achter het kleed zitten.
Ja. Missie mode.
I can taste you, as I kissed you. I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this? About any.
We're now at Panos. We're having like a little snack situation. Like, look at it. Like a croissant, a cheese situation, a cheese sandwich or something, and I don't know what the other one is. I have no idea. A worstenbroodje. Like, how do you say that in English?
I don't know.
A sausage roll or something?
Yes.
I think it's a sausage roll. But yeah, I already had like something to eat previous to them coming, you know, so I'm just gonna have a drink now. But yeah, there were already a lady telling me that she didn't want to be in my vlog. Like, you don't know what you're missing out on, lady.
I'm not here. I'm not here.
Yeah, she said like, I'm not here. And I was like, I'm not here either. I don't know what she meant by that, but probably that they don't want to be in my vlog. But that's fine. That's okay, lady. You're not gonna be in my vlog, okay? Okay.
You're full of confidence and cheap galore. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And I am turning life into an invitation. I don't know. I swear I'll tell the truth and you misunderstood. When I smile, it's all I want you by my side, but baby that's a lie.
This girl is trying to tell me that she doesn't want to buy this dress because of her belly. What belly?
Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Wil je die koffie van mij?
Aida, ik zweer het je.
Girl.
This is the one. This is the dress. Doe die jeans eens uit. It's now lunchtime and we came to my house for lunch. Kidding. We're at Hawaiian Pokeballs, aka my house. So, having chicken bowl. What are y'all having?
Chicken bowl.
Chicken bowl.
Sweet chicken.
Yes. Sweet chicken, spolite. Lunchtime. We just had lunch. It was amazing. Amazing.
Yeah.
And now we're going to Primark, I think.
Yeah.
Primark. And then after that, we made reservations for Shoe Cafe. Like the all day. So I'm super, super excited because I haven't been there in forever and I've missed it so much. So excited. It's gonna be your first time, right, Leah?
Yes.
Woohoo!
My first time.
Yeah, you're gonna love it.
I'm excited.
Yes, me too. Okay, enough. are now at Shoe Cafe. I haven't been here in forever, so I'm really happy and excited to be here. We just ordered. I'm going for my traditional order. That is a pancake, like the Dutch pancakes, with strawberry, Nutella, and also banana. So I'm really excited. The girls also ordered, but they went with brownies instead of Oreo. And all three of us ordered pink lattes. So excited. And yeah, they like upgraded the furniture a little bit, so it's a little bit different, but still super cute. So if you are ever in Antwerp, make sure to come visit Shoe Cafe. I will like link the address in the description box so you can check it out, but this is a must visit when you are in Antwerp. So yeah, I'll let you know when our food is here.
Can I please enjoy my coffee in the morning?
Of course you can.
I cannot with a camera in my face. Get it out.
Benny, don't be like that. Good morning, Benny.
It's not a good morning.
Why not?
Because you were the camera in my face. When I started a relationship with you, I didn't sign up for this.
Why not? No, what? You're gonna make the amigas think that you don't like being in my videos.
That is you and your amiga's problem. I have my own problems to take care of. And that's the camera in my face right now.
Alright.
So get it out.
Did you sleep well, Benny?
Yes, I did. Until I saw your camera.
So amiga, today is a new day. I am currently in bed or on the bed. I already showered, I washed my hair, I already did my skincare, and I made myself a little smoothie bowl. I showed you how I make it in a previous video not too long ago, so I didn't want to make that repetitive. I am gonna eat my breakfast now, and then after that I'm gonna start getting ready, blow dry my hair and do all of that, because Benny and I are gonna go on a little date later on today. Earlier this week on Tuesday we had our 7th year anniversary. So we wanted to do something nice, and since we don't leave the house that often anymore, I wanted to do like a little bit extra, like really try to look cute today. So that's what I'm gonna do. I also need to show you the things that I got the other day. I tried to do that the same night, but then I don't really like how that footage turned out, so I'm gonna do that as well. But first, breakfast. Alright amiga, it is haul time. So I got these slippers in a little Moroccan shop. So I'm really happy with these because they look like the Zara slippers. And I think we're gonna go on, we're going on vacation to Curacao next. And I thought like this would be a very nice pair of slides to have while I'm on vacation. Then next I got this eyeshadow palette from W7, and it is their Socialite eyeshadow palette, And these are the colors that are in it. It's like very much the colors that I like. It has some glitters and like fun colors to play with. So I might use this later today. I got like more shower gels, some Dove ones. 2 are the same, like the purely pampering ones are the same. And then I also got the coconut relaxing one. I also got some pepernoten or kruidnoten. This is a typical Dutch snack. And these one are with stroopwafel flavor. So I'm pretty excited to see what they taste like. Then I also got something for Novi or Nova. Nova is my goddaughter. And I got her these leggings. Like, look how cute that is. I got her these leggings. That is so freaking adorable. Like, look at that. Oh my god. And then this little top to match. And I thought it looked very cute together, like that. So I need to figure out when I'm gonna see her to gift that to her. But I thought that was so cute. And then I got like a few things for my hair. I got this blue headband, like hair ties, like the ones without the metal thingy. Scrunchies with like pearls on them. These as well, like mini ones and super mini ones. Like these are if you don't want the scrunchie to be shown. But like anyways, really tiny scrunchies. So yeah, that's all I got. It's not much, but I wanted to share that with you anyways. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. And for that, I'm gonna use my Silk Infusion hair serum from Chi. I finished blow drying and I look like Pop Smoke. Yeah, my hair got so long, so I'm really happy with that. I'm now gonna put a little bit of oil on my scalp. This is the Black Castor Miracle Oil. It is a sealing oil, and I normally use it when I have braids or a protective style, but it's oil, you know, you can use it anytime. So I like to apply a little bit to my scalp to moisturize that a little bit, you know. And it has peppermint in it, so that feels like very refreshing on the scalp. And I think I'm gonna go in with my flat iron just a little bit. Like, it's not gonna be a bone straight situation, but like just to tame my hair a little bit more, because I just see that this is gonna revert back to curly like real fast if I don't do so. So I'm just gonna go over my hair with a flat iron a little bit, because I have 2 more hours before we leave for the sushi place, but it should be fine. So yeah, let me go ahead and do the straightening and call my sister. Alright, amiga, I finished blow drying my hair and this is what it looks like. My hair has gotten so long, but I don't know if it's gonna stay straight, to be honest, because I don't know why, but my hair just tends to like become very poofy and stuff on the first day. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it now. I might do like a cute little protective style, maybe some braids or something. Like, I don't know yet. I'll figure it out, but I think it's time to start with my makeup. So yeah, makeup time. Okay, I've decided what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a little braid out situation, and for that I'm just gonna use this Lotta Body coconut and shea oils moisturizer. I'm not gonna use too much of it because then it's gonna like defeat the purpose of me styling my hair. So I'm just gonna use some of that. If it even wants to open, because this is so annoying. Got it open, so let me pump it up. I'm gonna do like 2 pumps or something, that much, not too much. Moisturize my hair. The next, I comb through it with my Denman brush and braid it up. Roller to the end. That is looking, you know, a little bit decent. And then I repeat this step all over my hair. Makeup time. I'm gonna do like a quick little time lapse of me doing this because I do not want to bore you.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing.
Yo, I'm forgetting how to do makeup. Like, that is bad. Especially judging from the fact that I used to do this every single day and now I don't know. Like, I don't know. What do you think? I think it looks kind of funky. Something is off. I don't know what, but hey. You know what? With social distancing, nobody is supposed to care anyways. So yeah, now quickly I'm gonna go and finish getting dressed because I think it's time, and then undo my hair. So I will be right back. Alright, I'm wearing my outfit. So I'm quickly gonna take down my hair and see how that looks. Hopefully it looks good. Pray for me, guys. Which headband do I have that is cute with this? This one? This is like basically the only one. That might be a little bit too girly for this. Yeah, not sure about that. Not sure. Okay, let me quickly lay my edges.
Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else.
I don't know if I'm completely happy with this, but it will have to do because I have to go. And this is the problem, like with day one hair, it always looks like a little bit flat, I guess, but at the same time it doesn't. We'll see. I'm gonna like leave it like this for now. First, it's perfume time. What are we gonna do for perfume today? For perfume, I'm gonna go with C Passion, the red C from Giorgio Armani. Ooh, smells good. And then next is jewelry. Of course, jewelry is gonna be Analuisany. You can use my code Jennyfer10 for 10% off your order. And I'm gonna go today with just one. I wanna do like the little sun, like this one. I wanna do this one today because I think it's cute. But yeah, that will do for today. Just one, as you can see. And then earrings. I'm gonna bring like I think a scrunchie for just in case like my hair gets crazy. I can like put it up or something. Yeah, might have to bring a scrunchie in case like my hair starts acting up. I can just like put it up like that or something. I actually like it like this. Did I do all of this to put it in a bun? I don't think so. No, we're gonna leave it down for now. Yeah. I'm gonna put on my shoes and then I'll get back to you and show you my whole outfit. It also might be outside because it's about time to leave.
Shut up!
So I might also show you my outfit outside, but I think it's pretty cute. What do you think? Do I look cute?
What shoes are you wearing?
The shoes that you got me.
What shoes?
The new Converse.
Oh yes, nice.
You right? I think so too. Anyways, I'm gonna finish putting my shoes on and I'll talk to you in a bit.
Yeah, amiga, yeah!
What are you gonna wear actually?
I feel like going out naked.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Why not?
No.
I should wear one of those shirts that you got me, huh?
Actually, yeah, you should wear one of the shirts I got you. Anyways, he's gonna get dressed too. I will film his outfit as well because I think that's cute. Isn't it cute?
You ain't filming my outfit.
Yes, I am filming your outfit. See me? So amiga, we're now at the bus stop waiting for the bus. I'm quickly gonna show you my little outfit. This blouse is from Zara. Jeans are New Look. Shoes are Converse. And the necklace is Analuisany. Use code Jennyfer10 for 10% off your order. Hair is wild and crazy. And that's it. Look at that. And what are you wearing, Benny? Really?
I'm really wearing clothes.
Okay. We're matching, by the way. Ooh.
Outside the club, we come alive, let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you, I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever.
Bon appetit.
Come.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. Ja, dat dacht ik ook.
Jennifer, zo kan je camera opzetten?
Ja. Alright amiga, we are back home and your girl is so full, but it was delicious. I couldn't film too much because I was dropping things everywhere and Benny was like, turn that off, you're drawing too much attention to us. So I had to stop filming, so I'm sorry about that. I'll try to do better next time. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and also make sure to check out Analuisany. If you buy anything, use my code Jennyfer10 for 10% off. And thank you so much to Analuisany for hooking your girl up with these goodies. I really am obsessed with them, so thank you so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!
Come change my life for the better, yeah. Stay for a while or forever.